Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are designed to deliver superior performance, spin, and control, catering to players of all skill levels. The paddles are available in two variants, the Halo Pro and Halo Control, each tailored for different playing styles. Both paddles feature a carbon fiber face that enhances spin and shot precision, making them ideal for players focused on accuracy and placement. The RevCore Power polymer core provides a balanced blend of power and control, allowing for consistent performance in both offensive and defensive play. This advanced core technology ensures a responsive feel and excellent durability, making the paddles reliable over extended use. The Halo Pro is designed for players seeking increased power and spin, while the Halo Control prioritizes precision and consistency, making it a great choice for those who value accuracy and touch in their gameplay. These paddles are lightweight, ensuring ease of maneuverability and quick reactions during fast-paced matches. Engineered for ultimate spin and consistency, the textured carbon fiber surface provides enhanced grip on the ball, enabling players to execute spins and advanced shots with confidence. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended play sessions. In summary, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles are versatile, high-performance paddles built for players looking to elevate their game. With options like the Halo Pro for power and spin or the Halo Control for precision and touch, these paddles cater to diverse playing styles. Their innovative RevCore Power polymer core and carbon fiber face ensure exceptional spin, control, and durability, making them a valuable addition to any pickleball enthusiast's gear. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. This USAPA-approved pickleball paddle set is designed for players of all levels, providing a great combination of performance, durability, and comfort. It features high-quality paddles with a fiberglass surface, offering excellent control and power during play. The set is suitable for both men and women, making it an ideal choice for recreational and competitive matches. The paddles are built with a polypropylene honeycomb core, which enhances shock absorption and provides a lightweight feel, reducing arm fatigue during extended play. The fiberglass face adds a responsive touch, ensuring precise shots and easy control, while also delivering enough power for effective smashes and volleys. The ergonomic handles are equipped with comfortable grips, offering a secure hold and minimizing slippage during intense gameplay. This design ensures maximum comfort and confidence, allowing players to focus on their performance without worrying about grip issues. This pickleball set includes multiple paddles, making it perfect for group play or family matches. The paddles are USAPA approved, ensuring they meet official standards for tournament play, giving players the assurance of quality and reliability. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, these paddles are suitable for players of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a beginner learning the game or an experienced player honing your skills, this set provides the tools you need for an enjoyable and competitive experience. In summary, this pickleball paddle set is a versatile and high-quality option for both casual and serious players. Featuring a fiberglass surface, lightweight honeycomb core, ergonomic grips, and USAPA approval, it ensures durability, comfort, and top-notch performance on the court. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enjoy the growing sport of pickleball. Number 3. Onyx Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive set designed for players seeking quality, convenience, and performance. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and 1 carrying bag, making it perfect for doubles matches or practice sessions. Each paddle features a G4 graphite face, providing excellent ball control, precision, and durability. The lightweight graphite surface ensures quick reaction times, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced players looking to improve their game. Paired with the polymer rev core, the paddles deliver a balanced combination of power and control, ensuring consistent performance for players with varying skill levels. The paddles are ergonomically designed with comfortable grips, reducing hand fatigue and allowing for extended play. The balanced weight and large sweet spot make these paddles versatile and user-friendly, enhancing accuracy and ease of use during both offensive and defensive shots. The bundle includes 3 pickleballs, ensuring players have everything needed to get started immediately. These balls are designed for optimal durability and performance, suitable for recreational and competitive play. A convenient carrying bag is also included, providing an easy way to store and transport your equipment. This thoughtful addition ensures that players can keep their gear organized and ready for their next game. In summary, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers a complete package for pickleball enthusiasts. With high-quality paddles featuring a G4 graphite face and polymer rev core, durable pickleballs, and a practical carrying bag, this set is ideal for players of all skill levels. Whether you're playing casually or aiming to refine your skills, this bundle provides everything you need for a fun and competitive pickleball experience. Number 4. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onyx Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a top-tier option for players seeking a blend of power, control, and comfort. Constructed with a graphite carbon fiber face, this paddle delivers exceptional responsiveness and precision, making it suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to advanced players. The graphite surface ensures a lightweight feel, enhancing maneuverability and enabling quick reaction times during fast-paced games. The paddle also features a no-mix honeycomb core, which provides a solid balance of power and control, ensuring consistent performance for both offensive and defensive play. One of the standout features is the cushion comfort grip, which offers a secure and comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue during long matches. The ergonomic grip design minimizes slippage, giving players confidence and control over their swings. The paddle's large sweet spot and optimal weight distribution make it versatile and user-friendly. It excels in providing accurate ball placement and powerful hits, making it an excellent choice for both recreational and competitive players. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. In summary, the Onyx Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle combines a graphite carbon fiber face, no-mix honeycomb core, and a cushion comfort grip to deliver an outstanding pickleball experience. Lightweight, durable, and easy to handle, this paddle is designed for players who want precision, power, and comfort in every match. Whether you're a casual player or competing in tournaments, the Mod Z5 paddle provides the performance and reliability you need to elevate your game. Number 5. Jula Essential Pickleball. The Jula Essentials Pickleball Paddle is a high-performance paddle designed to enhance gameplay for players of all levels. Featuring a reinforced fiberglass surface, this paddle offers a perfect blend of control and power, enabling precise shots while maintaining enough force for effective volleys and smashes. The paddle's core is made of honeycomb polypropylene, a lightweight and durable material that provides excellent shock absorption and consistent ball response. This combination of materials ensures a comfortable playing experience, reducing hand fatigue during extended matches and allowing players to maintain accuracy and control. The paddle's large sweet spot makes it user-friendly and forgiving, especially for beginners who are still developing their skills. At the same time, experienced players will appreciate the balance and responsiveness it delivers for more advanced techniques. The ergonomic handle is designed with a comfortable grip that reduces slippage and provides excellent control, even during intense gameplay. The lightweight construction of the paddle makes it easy to maneuver, ensuring quick reaction times and smooth transitions between shots. Durable and reliable, the Jula Essentials paddle is built to withstand frequent use, making it ideal for both recreational play and competitive matches. Its modern design and robust materials reflect Jula's commitment to quality and innovation in pickleball equipment. In summary, the Jula Essentials Pickleball Paddle is a versatile and durable option that combines a reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and ergonomic design. It delivers outstanding performance with a focus on comfort, precision, and power, making it an excellent choice for players of all skill levels looking to improve their game. Whether for casual play or serious competition, this paddle is built to help players excel on the court.